Hi guys, Mark Anthony here from Coach Affiliates. I think you can learn a lot from property investors. See, they build their assets and multiply their income, a solid strategy that could work well in any system, especially affiliate marketing. Now, they don't just buy one property because they know if that asset is empty, they're not making money. And with high ticket affiliate marketing, it works the same. You don't make sales every day, but while you're waiting, your bills are as regular as clockwork, not ideal. So does it not make sense to build low ticket assets that make income streams on a regular basis? You can make money from affiliate sales, passive income, and advertising revenue. Makes complete sense to me, and that is exactly what I do. And you can choose from creating money, making blogs or websites that bring in recurring commission, YouTube channels for making affiliate sales and advertising revenue, and don't worry, you can build these YouTube channels very quickly without ever showing your face. Now, this is a great opportunity to build your digital assets online so you can profit from your passion. You can do all this inside of Tao, where the super simple step-by-step training walks you through absolutely everything. No experience necessary, because this is a proven click-for-click strategy where you can have your first asset ready to make your money in only 7 days. So maybe you're thinking, I just don't have the time. Well, if you can spare around 6 hours a week, that's probably all you need. Or just do what hours you can. As long as you are consistent, that's the important thing. You can make this work. Now you're probably thinking, well, how much is all this amazing training going to cost me today? Great question. And the answer is only $1. So there you have it. Create your digital empire that can bring you passive income streams on autopilot. Imagine making money while you sleep or as you relax on a tropical beach. You can make that a reality today with his 5-star rated training program. I'm a member of Tao, and I hope to see you on the inside. The special link, the $1 link, is in the description.